Today we're gonna do unboxing and assembling of Karcher TW3 model. Has a lot of features, it's energy efficient, it's wet and dry vacuum cleaner, also has a blower function. You can use the top part as a storage area, and has a lot of additional parts to it. You can see that has a compact storage, blower and parking position. Has two suction tubes, 2 times 0.5 meters, service nozzle, clips floor nozzle for wet and dry vacuuming, suction hose with removable handle, and also it's included the cartridge, one-piece cartridge filter and filter bag for dry vacuuming. It says designed and engineered by Kärcher in Germany, and here we can see that it's made in Romania. So it's not a Chinese product, it's made in the EU. So here it's the dust bag, hose, connectors, packaging tubes to this is the nozzle part for the wet and dry vacuuming. And it goes like this. Inside we have the instruction manual, and it's supporting a lot of languages. This is the part for hanging the cable. In this case, now this is the blower connector, so when you connect the hose here, it has a blower function. Here you can put something on the top, you can use it as a working tray. The switch is 0 and 1. Now off is 0, 1, it's on. We're gonna open it and see what we have inside. Oh. Okay, let's check the production date. On the bottom you can see it's all plastic. This is 15 liter capacity. And we have the filter here. we have the wheels. The wheels go here, so we have 4 wheels, so we can move the vacuum cleaner around. I show you the way it goes here. So each wheel has its own position like this. They all rotate 360 degrees. So 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm not going to install now because this is for unboxing purposes only. Here it's connection for the dust bag. So if you use the fine dust, you better use it filter and the dust bag, both of them. If you just use water, you don't use. If you want to clean only, collect only water from the floor, you don't use the dust bag. You only use filter. Filter is very easy to set up. Also, you can take it out, clean it, wash it, and put it back again, and that's it. So here you have the rotation arrows. So if you rotate on the left, you open it. If you rotate on the right, you close it. So in this case we closed, and it's that easy. So we want to test it and see if things are working. They are easy to connect. See, one side is wider, so you cannot make a mistake how to connect them. So this is the widest side, and that's how it goes. They change easily. This rotates so you can easily rotate on the left and the right, and how you want to use it. This is the part when you put here, when you put in the vacuum in the hard position. So this is how it's going here, and this are storage parts, so you can easily put all of them like that. This is the part where we connect the hose. Goes like this. Oh, that's it. The part for, see, goes very easy and smooth. So I just press and push, That's it. Push and grip. Pull. Push and put in. So when you hear the click sign, that means it's ready. So let's hear the engine working. We're gonna plug in just to see how it works. Just one thing, don't use to vacuum ash. This is not an ash vacuum. If we want the other function, so we unplug it from here and just plug in the back, and now we have the blower function. So overall we have one super economic model, but it's versatile, so you can do a lot of jobs at home, a lot of jobs maybe in your office, maybe in your workshop, but it's nice, easy, and it's very economical, and it's a good quality for the price. It's around €100. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.